guys, happy 2025. I hope the new year is off to a wonderful start and that this year is just full of blessings and joy and wonderful memories that you're going to make with all your loved ones. I am excited to be filming again. I did take this whole winter break just to myself, which I really feel like I needed. I've been stressed. I feel like everyone's stressed and everyone needs a break, but I really need to take that. So thank you for being patient and just allowing me this time. I am going to show you what I picked up from the sales that were going on after Christmas. So here in Canada, we have something called Boxing Day, which is traditionally our biggest sale sort of season, or not sale season, but sale day, event, week, whatever you want to call it. I know in the States it's typically Black Friday and then Cyber Monday, and as Canadians, we've sort of adopted that, I guess, shopping mentality too, but Boxing Day is still really big here. Oh, and these earrings. So these earrings are from my friend. I love them. They're by Jenny Bird, and she got them at Blue Ruby for me, I believe, but they're silver, and I haven't worn silver in forever. So let me know what you think, and if you see a bruise here, please ignore that. I tried my best to cover it up. It's actually way less noticeable now than it was a couple days ago, but the same friend that gave me those earrings, we went out for lunch and I like slipped and fell in the parking lot and smashed my chin. So it was really bruised. That was another reason why I wasn't filming. I was just not in my best state. These items that I picked up, I'm going to show you to begin with, are from SSENSE. So SSENSE always has a really big sale after Christmas. What I love about SSENSE is that they often have really steep markdowns. What I hate about SSENSE is that they shift in prices almost daily. So when I picked this item up, I'm going to show you here, it was 30% off. And now it's sold out, but the other items that were on sale have gone to only 20% off. So I don't know what they do, but they often flip-flop. So this is my first handbag of 2025. It is by Diffusion, which is a brand that's new to me, but I know has been around for many years. This is just the dust bag that it came in, and I ended up picking up, I have not used this yet. I did open it when it came, but this is the big Nantucket bag, and she is gorgeous. She's not as big as when they say it's a big size. I actually think there's only one size of this, but she's not that big, as you can kind of see there. So it is this beautiful woven leather. I know that each piece is, when you order from the website, it's made to order, so that they're not mass producing items and then items go to waste. And because it is made to order from the website, it can take 12 weeks to reach you, but because I ordered this from SSENSE, obviously it was in stock. I know that when it comes to the bigger retailers, that it is not a custom order, it's not made to order. So this is it here. The color is tan. It's this beautiful red toned tan color, as you can kind of see there, that is just so stunning. It obviously reminds me of Bottega with the woven leather, but this is just so unique. And what I really liked about it is I liked the shape of it here. So I like a nice strap drop, and obviously this one is really good. I'm wearing a pretty bulky sweater and there is a lot of room. I know that there's one bag that's really popular. I'll put it up here. I actually have that on my wish list because I do really want it in the green color because I think it's stunning. It did come with this tag, and it just explains, the tag here sort of explains the process of making the item and how each item is unique and no two items will be the same, as well as how the leather will differ. There might be two tones of leather, which I think is just beautiful, honestly. And then it says there's a St. Christopher medal inside. So I am Catholic, so I do know St. Christopher. He is the patron saint of travelers, whether it is physically or spiritually. So I know that even if people are passing, that there is a novena that you can say to Saint Christopher. So I like that little added touch. And like I said, it is right there, which is really pretty. So the inside of the bag is bare bones. There's just that part there that says Dragon Diffusion, and it's just empty tote. As you can see, it does sort of droop down there, so I do want to get a bag organizer just so it gives it a little bit more structure and a little bit more shape. But I think when you're traveling and if you're on the beach, I think that this sort of droopiness looks kind of cool. But for the everyday, I'm definitely going to look into a bag organizer. I actually have this one here, which is for my long shop. I haven't tried this yet. I just grabbed it because it was in front of me. This is what I've been using as my work bag, but this one works in almost all my totes. So I put this in my Songmont Lore tote as well, and it works in there. So I also have an Everlane tote that I put it in. So let's see if this will help to kind of give it some shape. It is quite full. Like I said, this is my work organizer, so it has all my work stuff in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one works. It is, like I said, there's a little bit of droopiness, but not as much as before. So it does give it some shape. I think I might need to get a slightly smaller one because you can kind of see it peeking out a little bit sometimes there, but wow, okay. So that's awesome. I'm so excited for that. But this is the first handbag that I picked up, and this is it without the organizer. So you can see how it fully kind of droops down. Now the price point of this was crazy. The sale was crazy. Price point of this, I got an amazing deal. So it was regular $570. I got it for 30% off. So it came to 398 Canadian dollars. And obviously there is tax on that, but when you compare it to a lot of other websites, nothing was as affordable as the SSENSE site. So this one is sold out. I was debating between this one and the white leather because I thought the white leather was just stunning and I could use it a lot in the summer, but I knew that I would get way more wear out of this color here because I can kind of use this all season. So there was also the black color, which was on sale, and they had a few other styles, but now when I'm looking at it, now the sales are way less than before and they're not as good. So I'm not sure, like I said, what SSENSE does and why it's doing that. They currently have the Akila tote, which I was going between. That one is 20% off or 19% off, so it's regular $505 and it is on sale for $408. So that's a nice option too. I was looking at that one, but I really like the Nantucket style. Okay, so that's the first item that I picked up, and like I said, I'm very happy with it. I do have another Dragon Diffusion handbag on my wish list, I think for the price point, even paying full price for it, and it being at the $500 to $600 mark Canadian. I think that's a good price point for a nice woven leather handbag, and it's a good alternative to Bottega. And then I picked up two pairs of sunglasses. The first one is by the brand Akila. I found this brand on TikTok. There was a couple of girls showing this exact style, and I was like, what sunglasses is that? Because I need it. And it's by Akila, which I believe is based in LA. So the boxes are really cool. I don't want to open this up. I don't want to rip it. I guess you can rip it here, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this yet because I picked up two pairs and my intent is to only keep one. That took a while to take off. So there you go. It just says Akila. It's made out of cork, the sunglass case itself. And the style of this, oh, this is cute. The little towel that it comes to clean. It's a cute print. But these are called the Outsider. And like I said, I had seen a couple of people show these. But like I said, I've not heard of this brand before. The shape is so cool. Are they? It's hard to tell if the glasses, oh no, they're coming, from when I look at it, they look a bluish tint. But let's see how these look. There's a little bit of fuzz on it. Do we love these? I can only see myself on the viewfinder, but I feel like it's such a cool shape. So this is the side here. Does the side say anything? No, the side just says Los Angeles, CA, and it is silver detailing on the side there. This is the first pair. Like I said, this is by the brand Akila. I always feel like I have to put my hair back to get the full effect of what the sunglasses will look like, because often in the summer I'll have my hair pulled back, but I am planning on cutting my hair to the bob again. So just even sort of seeing it kind of like this, I think I love these. These are nice. Okay, the price point of these, they're still on sale. These are $160 Canadian, regular $195. So it's 18% off right now, and these are still showing up as on sale. So the next pair is by Givenchy, which I have not bought anything from this brand in so long. I like these cases because I feel like they really keep everything nice and protected as compared to the hard case, and they also fit in handbags a little bit better because it's a little bit more malleable. So these ones are a little bit more of that narrow style, which I am trying to get into because I think it looks so cool, and I'm used to having the really big frames, but I want to try something a little bit different and sort of out of my comfort zone. I don't want to keep buying the same kind of sunglasses. Okay, these are heavy. These are nice. Ooh, look at that detailing on the side. That's pretty. Okay, let's see how these go. This one has sort of a cat eye shape to them, as you can kind of see. Why does it feel like my hair is getting caught? There we go. All right, this is the second pair. Ooh. Okay, also like these. These ones are cool. Which pair do we like more? I think I like these ones now. Now I'm confused. This one has, like, you can sort of see that elongated cat eye shape, which I really love. Again, I'm gonna pull my hair up because I feel like you get a better kind of look. They don't slip down. The frame is fairly comfortable. Like I said, they're a little bit heavier, but because they're narrow, I find that it's not uncomfortable. I can kind of pull them down. Which one do I like more? I don't know. I'm gonna need your help in deciding which ones to keep. So the price point of this one, let me pull this one up. These ones are called the Black 4G liquid sunglasses, and original price was $490. I got these for 47% off. So they were $259 Canadian, which is still expensive.
For some reason, I couldn't find them and they were coming as regular price, but I did find them. They are 37% off now, so they're $307 Canadian from $490. So not as good of a deal that I paid for them, but still a pretty good deal. So right now, as of Friday, there's only 3 left in stock.
I'm scrolling right now, sorry. They do have quite a few sunglass styles on sale. So if you are looking at them, they have another really cool pair that's on sale. I will link the other pairs down below. Please let me know which pair to keep. The Akila ones do feel cheaper. I can definitely tell that. I think the Akila ones are just made, it says made in China. So it's designed in LA, but made in China. So they do feel a little bit cheaper, but the style is very, very cool. And then here are the Givenchy ones, which definitely feel more substantial. These ones are made in Italy. And then this is the style of the Givenchy ones. So please let me know which pair to keep. But those are the items that I picked up from Essence. And then I did want to share these other items with you too, because they are on sale. So the sweater that I'm currently wearing right now, which is this navy blue oversized knit, I also picked up in a red as well as black, and I do have it in the forest green. I picked that one up earlier this year. This is from Gap, and I love it. This is, I was seeing it all over TikTok, but this is supposed to be the dupe for the COS version, but this one is cotton, and you'll see it better when I do the try on for this handbag. You'll get to sort of see how oversized it is. I got mine in a medium, and I have washed them, and they wash beautifully. I do hang to dry, but they are perfect. And I just have my Aritzia function tee underneath, which I have now probably 5 or 6 of these function tees. They're the perfect t-shirt to pop out from sweaters, but I love this. And I got this one on sale. I will link it down below, but it was regular 108 Canadian, and I had a 25% off discount, a 10%, and then another 15% off, and I stacked it all, and I think it came to around, I want to say like $60. So I bought 3 of them, and I love them. So definitely pick these up. I know that they were out of stock for the longest time, but they're now back in stock. So that's everything in this little mini kind of luxury haul that I picked up that were all on sale. Like I said, I will link everything down below. Hopefully the pieces will still be in stock. Like I said, this one I know is sold out, and the other colors are now no longer on sale, but definitely keep checking the Essence site, because as I mentioned, the prices fluctuate almost daily. So it's really annoying, and it's kind of frustrating, and I don't know why they're doing that, but just keep checking the site, because if it's not on sale one day, it might be on sale the next couple of days. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!